Hola y bienvenidos a Module 6. In this module, we're going to be talking about symptoms and conditions, and we've got three verbs to go over. We've learned them all before, but we're going to use them all together now. So, ser, estar, and tener, to talk about, people's symptoms and how we feel. So make sure you check out all of the readings and videos there. Also, here we have some information about an upcoming assignment. So, the field specific project is due in Module 8. I actually don't want you to work on it this module because this module we have a lot of stuff. But I want you to start thinking about it because the field specific project is an interview project. So, you want to at least start thinking about who you're going to interview, set up a date to interview them, find them, because you don't want to get to module 8 and you can't find someone to interview, or you don't want to leave it to the last minute. So again, I don't want you to actually do this assignment this week because we have a lot of stuff this week and you have 2 more weeks to work on this project, but start thinking about it. You should think of your timeline like, okay, during module 6, I should think of someone to interview. Module 7, make sure you set up your actual interview with that person, and then module 8, complete the interview and complete the assignment. So read through that information, let me know if you have any questions, and again, just kind of keep it in your mind as something to not leave for the last minute. Okay, so again, I don't want you to do that project this week because we got a lot of other stuff this week. We have a homework packet, speaking assignment. There is a discussion board, so make sure you get your initial post in by Wednesday, and then the quiz as well. The next 2 weeks are going to be lighter because there's no homework packets the next 2 weeks. It's just working on the project. So this week there's a bunch. The next 2 weeks more focused on the project. Let me know if you have any questions. Y nos vemos pronto.